Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. Today we are back with another interesting topic. Number 2, woodworker. Similarly, if you have a passion for crafting beautiful furniture or other home goods out of wood, that could be a small business niche for you. Get started by listing a few of your pieces on sites like Etsy. Once you build a following, consider starting a website, accepting custom orders, or expanding to refinishing work and upholstery. Number 3, online dating consultant. Dating consultants usually charge for their time. They help people create successful online dating profiles, source possible matches from outside the typical online channels, and offer a level of personalization that a site like Tinder can't. Think you've got a knack for the match? This might be the business for you. And alteration specialist. Small business idea example. Sewing and alteration specialist. People will always need clothing hemmed and buttons mended, and you could be the person to do it if you love sewing. Start by offering simple services like those mentioned above and expand your repertoire to dressmaking and design as you build a customer base and demand. 5. Freelance developer. From building websites for other small businesses to providing technical support for certain projects, quality web development is in high demand right now. As a web developer, you will naturally have a technical skill set. Distill your knowledge and expertise so customers who don't have your experience are able to understand what it is you will be helping them achieve. To help with this, test your messaging on friends and family who don't have a firm understanding of the work you do. If they're able to summarize what you do, your messaging is likely effective among people outside of your industry. Personal trainer. Offer in-home consultations, personalized nutrition and exercise regimens, and community boot camps to get the word out. Don't forget to populate an Instagram feed with inspirational quotes, free exercise videos, and yummy snack ideas as well. It's a common way for fitness gurus to build their brands in our digital world. If you choose to go this route, it's okay to start small at first, then scale up. For instance, MoreFit is a personal training business in Indianapolis that started in a shared gym, then grew to a private gym that offers group fitness, personal training, and nutrition services. 7. Freelance graphic designer. Set your own hours, choose your projects, and build a portfolio and business you're proud of. From website design to blog graphics and more, many companies seek out experienced graphic designers for support on a variety of projects. If you're just starting out with graphic design, try these 8 tips and tricks that are ideal for beginners. If you're more experienced but need to build your portfolio to attract clients, these prompts will get your creativity flowing in no time. Life career coach. If you have experience navigating career, personal, and social transitions successfully, put it to good use as a life or career coach. Many of us are looking for guidance in our careers, and finding someone with the time to mentor us can be tough. Life career coaches don't come cheap, but they are able to offer clients the intense and hands-on training and advice they need to make serious moves in their personal and professional lives. After all, everyone needs some uplifting advice from time to time. 9. Resume writer. Creating a resume, cover letter, and when necessary portfolio for a new job can be tough and time-consuming. That's why many people hire help. Assist clients with tailored resumes, beautifully edited cover letters, and carefully crafted portfolios that make it impossible for employers to ignore.